What is going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you guys something that is a lifesaver. Whether you're up in 20 feet, 30 feet up in the air trying to connect some wires, whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or an electrician. Time is money. I'm about to save you some time. All of y'all already know your conventional twist-on wire twists. You know, this is pretty tedious. What you got to do is twist two wires together like this, right? And you gotta do this while you're up on the ladder or something, or don't know what the situation is, but not fun. And then you take this little twisty thing and twist it on. Alright? You gotta make sure it's on tightly. See, it comes off. You gotta apply a lot of elbow grease to actually get these on. Okay, now it seems like it's okay. But I'm like, there has to be an easier way. So look what I stumbled on Amazon. These are called the Wago wire connectors. Check out how much easier this is. You guys just saw what I did. Look at option B. These wire connectors just have holes. All you simply do is stick them in. Okay? And you're done. Dude, seriously guys, I can't even pull these out if my life depended on it. It's stuck. And you have 6 other holes you can do the same thing with. So you ask yourself, do I want to do A or do I want to do B? It's all up to you. I'll have a link in the video description down below on where you can actually pick up these Wago wire connectors and simplify your do-it-yourself life. Or, you know, even as a professional, you know, save yourself time and use these wire connectors. I want to thank you all for watching my video. I'll have plenty of more do-it-yourself and review videos on a lot of products. So please subscribe and stay tuned for more awesome stuff. Thanks for watching.